So here is how I would enter the problem 7 times 10 to the 24th divided by 3.5 times 10 to the 12th. We want that whole first part to be divided by the whole second part, so I'm going to use parentheses. So parentheses 7 times 10 to the 24th to the 24th. So this right here allows me to do to the 24th power, but notice how it's not on the 10, so I need to come back here and try that again and then type in the 24. I'm going to get rid of that exponent right there. Divided by, all right, so notice now, like when I press the divided by, it doesn't really show up on the top, so I'm going to see if I can copy and paste that into there, and I can't. So it takes some trial and error sometimes. If I highlight that, okay, so when I highlighted that and then clicked divided, it understood that I wanted to take this whole thing and divide it by, what do I want to divide it by? 3.5 times 10 to the 12th. 3.5 times, oh, and see, I have to pay attention. It's not typing where I wanted it to. 3.5 times 10 to the 12th, and I'm going to close the parentheses, and that gives me the answer of 2 times 10 to the 12th.